Ants gone in 24 hours from that kitchen. You have come to the right place, guys. We're going to show you exactly how to do that in 2 simple steps. Easy. Stay tuned. Craig here again, howtopest.com. Welcome back to the channel. So you have woke up on a Saturday morning hoping to get those bacon and eggs and that hot coffee.
Breakfast is ready.
But you got uninvited guests all over your countertop. Those pesky ants. How do you get rid of them? Well, your first instinct may be to reach under that sink and grab that bleach, that vinegar, or run to the garage and grab that over-the-counter product. That is no bueno. You do not want that. All you're going to do is kill what you see and not take care of that problem. So you'll kill those, you'll wipe them away. Next morning, you'll have a trail of ants once again. We're going to show you the right way to do that, guys. Ants in the kitchen, we have conquered it with 2 simple products right here. We have Advanced 375A and we have Advian Ant Gel. Now you're asking yourself, why do I need 2 products? I'm going to explain that to you right now. Sometimes ants are going after proteins, bingo, and sometimes they are going after sugar baits, known as carbohydrate baits. When are they going after it? In the winter and early spring, typically they're going after the protein baits. They're trying to build up that colony and just multiply, reproduce it. Once that is in effect, come say summertime, now they're just feeding that colony and they're searching out more of your sugar baits, your carbohydrate baits. That's your Advian Ant Gel. Both of these are slow release products. They're not going to kill the ants as you put them out, but that's what you want. You want these guys eating this up, going back to the nest, killing off everybody in the nest, including the queen. So there's no guesswork on what kind of ant do I have, what type of product do I need. We've killed all that, guys. We've given you both. We've given you the protein bait. We've given you the ant gel bait, the carbohydrate bait that we just talked about, sugar bait, however you want to call that one. Now, this is a beautiful thing. In this kit comes these trays. And as you can see, there's 4 little squares. So what you're going to do is you're going to pop open. I already have the lids popped on this. One side is to pour. You're going to puncture this or take it, unscrew it, and pull that off. The other side is a shake and bake.
Shake and bake, buddy!
Okay, so you're going to put the carbohydrate bait, or the protein bait on this side. Doesn't matter which side. Just put it in 2 of them. And then you're going to put the ant gel bait in this side. Now, how do you use the ant gel bait, the Advian Ant Gel Bait? So we like to show you what it looks like out of the pack. It's just snap shut. You're going to take this, the directions, you're going to put it over here. You don't need those, you have me. If you need to refer to any other way of applying this, it is on there and it's on our website. So go ahead and just blow that up on the website. It's a lot easier to read than trying to read this small print if you're like me. In this kit, I'm going to flip it over. Comes with a plunger, comes with a syringe. It also comes with a couple tips. So what you're going to want to do, you can apply it without the tip, but it's a lot easier and less messy this way. You're going to pop off the cap. It just twists counterclockwise. Twists off, set it to the side. Take the tip. It's now going clockwise. It just clicks. It'll just stop. It doesn't click. It just stops. You're going to take this. You're going to put the plunger in. Ba-boom, ba-boom. You're going to fill that up. That's all you do. Then you take these things, they snap shut, as you just heard that, or maybe you didn't, they do snap shut, take my word for it. You're going to place these where you have activity. Anytime you do the gel bait, the granular bait, you can put these directly on the counter. We just don't like it. You have to come back and you have to clean it up, especially granule. That makes a real mess. This is going to come out clear, and you would put it in the area where you have the ants and watch them come and feed. If they're going after this, you're going to watch them feed the other side. So you don't want to put this directly on your counter. This is your solution. Pro tip, this is what we do. Reach in the pocket. Bam! Cardboard strips. Where do you get these high-tech cardboard strips? You get them off all those Amazon packages I know all you women are ordering.
Drop the packages and go away.
So cut them like you see right here. Take this. Put a little dot right there. We say a pin-sized dot. That's a little bigger than a pin size. Put a little bit right there. And then place these throughout where you have the activity. You see how I'm just sliding those back in the corner, That's what it's going to be. Now, as the ants gather to this or to the bait trays, it's going to look like a party at the lake. It's going to go from clear to black. Leave them alone. Now, backtracking, if you have sprayed any of that stuff we talked about in the beginning of the video, you are going to contaminate the bait. By putting it on cardboard, it is no longer contaminated. But if you directly put this on somewhere where you sprayed or this, they're not going to eat this. It's like you put poison on your In-N-Out cheeseburger.
You reckon this is poison?
You're not going to eat it. Some of you wackos out there might, but most of you are not going to eat it. Hey, fun fact, fun joke. Why do ants not get COVID? Because they have little antibodies. Now, you know that's funny. Come on. All right, so in this kit, it's coming with 4 of the syringes, the Advient Ant Gel. It's coming with this advanced shaker bottle of the protein bait we talked about, and you're getting 4 trays. So take the guesswork out. Some of you may say, hey, I don't need all this. I just need the ant gel or just the protein bait itself. We sell them individually on the site also, so get whatever you think. We just came up with this kit because it literally, just like I said, takes the guesswork out. You put both in the tray, set it out there, and let them have at it. This stuff is for use outside also, but you need to protect it from the elements. Now, let's say some of you guys in certain areas, I know Florida, maybe one of those, there's ants that aren't really attracted to either one of these, then you need to do a spray. That's another topic, but you want a non-repellent spray. Look at some of our videos that we may, matter of fact, we're gonna post some of the links below to non-repellent sprays. That's what you want for those ants that aren't touching either one of these. If they're in your kitchen, there's almost 100% chance they're going for one of these. So either get individual items, or I tell you, if you don't want to guess, like I keep saying this, I know, just get the kit itself. So if you have any questions, reach out to us. Once again, I'm Craig at howtopest.com. Smash that like button. Comment on the videos, guys. We love the comments, and we're happy to answer any of those questions for you. Thanks for watching the videos, and have a great day.